What's up guys, I'm Damien O'Brien and today I'm unboxing and checking out Elgato's latest webcam, the Facecam Mark II. Now, for a while I've been using the Facecam Mark 1, the original, and it's been great. I get super crisp quality. I'm looking forward to unboxing and checking out all the new features with the Mark II. So with all that being said, let's open this and see what it's like. Okay, let's go into the unboxing. So a couple of key features whilst we're doing the unboxing. So it has an f2.4 aperture. The focal length is 24 millimeters, and it has a field of view of 84 degrees. And this actually has a new sensor. It's a Sony Starvis, so that is different from the original. Let's open this up. Okay, it was about the same size as the original. Maybe it's a little bit wider, so here is really cool. So you do have a little privacy cover, USB-C as well for plug, and it also instantly mounts on your monitors as well. But you do have a bit here if you want to attach this to an arm, you can. It's great for that. So yeah, if you do have arms which you usually use for your webcams and mounts, you can do that too. So yeah, this is just gonna slide open. That is it. That's our lens. So again, with this you can film in Ultra HD as well as your normal 1080. So that's really cool. It looks really nice. Let's do a little comparison to the original. Let me show you the size difference. Here is the size difference, so check that out. So this is the Mark 1 right here, and it's the Mark 2, so it's a lot thinner. It looks a lot nicer. If I take the privacy cap off there, you can see, look, the sizes. But this just feels so much lighter as well than this. This one feels really big and bulky. This feels really great. So anyways, let's get this plugged in and show you what it looks like. Let's see the quality.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I have just installed the Elgato Facecam Mark II. This is basically what it looks like in Camera Hub. I've not played with any of the settings yet, and I'm already blown away by this. This looks so crisp and clear instantly. It's instant improvement over the original. I didn't actually think that was going to be a thing. I just thought, maybe it's a slight difference. Huge difference. And again, I've not played around with any of the settings yet. So for me, like, I usually like to have the effects on. I've downloaded the NVIDIA pack you can get with Camera Hub, and I usually throw in the blur. There we go. That's a perfect strength. I mean, you can go like really crazy and completely blur out your background. I don't like that. I like it just a little bit, just for that, depth effect. They say this camera is like gonna blow DSLRs out of water. Kind of is, and like you can see, it's gone really dark right now because the sun's just gone behind a cloud, right? So that's cool because obviously it's not really lost any detail or clarity, and you can play with your brightness and bring it up in here, which is great, and it still is super smooth. You can play around with sharpness and saturation all in here, to field of view. So this is at 100% at the moment, as you can see. I'm going to bring that in just a little bit, not too much, and just center it around. And I kind of like that. That's really cool. If you notice, there's a little thing that's saying face tracking. That is for the Facecam Pro, the 4K one. So if you've got that, you can do face tracking as well. Pan tilt. So look, this is like, let's have a little look. I want you to see this. Okay, so look, you can bring this up and down, just little bits and everything like that, and you can tilt it to the side. So like if you don't want to do moving around the box yourself, and look, you've actually got spaces where you can do presets where you can actually save presets to settings you like: saturation, sharpness, contrast, blurred backgrounds, different effects, whatever you want to do, you can actually do that. So this this is really cool. You know, there is a lot of other settings in there I need to have a little mess around and play with. You can record in Ultra HD as well, which is really incredible. You've got lots of different settings. At the moment, I'm recording here in 1080 with 60 frames per second. You can do it 1080, 30, 720, whatever is your preference. It's a very impressive bit of kit. So look, I've done all the settings out of playing around with it. So I'm gonna, like, if I save that, that's it. I've got my settings saved. That's me. I'm really happy with that. I like that. So yeah, guys, this is a real leap forward over the last camera. You know, I'm not gonna say I'm super tech savvy because I'm not, but I know what I like and what I want, and you know, I want to be able to plug a camera in straight away. It's pretty much got the settings right there and then, and it's super easy to use. And this is it. You're not fiddling around like playing around with different lenses and changing a lens. You're just plugging in. It mounts on the top of your monitors. So if you haven't got a monitor arm, mine is sitting on top of the monitor right now. Comes with a really long USB-C cable, so you can really move it around where you prefer and where you need it. And it's just a great bit of kit for the price. It's perfect. If anyone went to me, what's a good webcam to use just to stream or do Teams meetings, stuff like that, I'd recommend this. And not just because I've been saying it, I would honestly recommend this. I would recommend either Facecam, but if they was to say which one out of the two, I would say go for the second one because obviously it's newer. You can really notice a difference in the lens, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much my 2 cents in this, guys. So, guys, this is the Facecam Mark II by Elgato. I just want to say a big thank you to those guys. If you like this video unboxing and the little preview of the camera, be sure to hit subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, I will see you all on the next video. And honestly, I can't wait to use this for my next stream. So again, thank you guys, and I'll see you all soon. Take care. Peace.